I hope my video finds you well. Good morning, afternoon, or evening. Grab yourself your choice of beverage and let's get going with our video. Hi friends, welcome back to the Teal Pumpkin. I'm so happy to have you here today. I'm showing you my items that I'm going to be decorating my dining room with. I hope that you guys will stick around, get some inspiration, and let's get started with our video. Let's go. Let's start out our video. I'm going to be styling these two shelves here. I didn't buy too many new things. I did show you what I bought at Hobby Lobby a while back. I am mostly using items that I've had. I did get that little table runner, and I also got a pack of napkins. I thought I was going to be using Michelle's trick with her paper shred, Michele from YOUniquely Vintage You, but I decided that I wanted to just place some hydrangeas in the bowl instead. Now let's add this summer banner to the top shelf there. I'm just going to attach it with some tape, and I think we are going to be done with the shelves. So I've been using basically the items that I have and just adding a few seasonal items to them. I'm using my mother-in-law's china, and I'm also going to add a salad plate that was my great grandmother's. to be adding these faux cosmos from Hobby Lobby, and then I'm going to be adding some real blue hydrangeas from my yard. Be on the lookout for a reel on Instagram as well as a short where I show you how I recovered these canisters. I picked up this paper mache number 4 from Hobby Lobby, and I used the Waverly chalk paint in red just to give it a little touch of patriotic decor. I'm adding this larger size American flag, and then that's going to do it for my centerpiece. I'm going to be using these cupcake toppers that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. They add such a big impact for such a small, very inexpensive item. I have used these all over my home for my summer decor. You guys comment down below. Are you done decorating for the 4th of July, or do you decorate for the 4th of July? I would love to hear from you in the comments. I hope you caught my reel on Instagram or my short. I showed you guys how I made these pennants. These were from a seller. I purchased them. It was a download, and then I just took it to Kinko's and had them print them for $2. And I bought some wooden dowels at Hobby Lobby. I think I got 3 sticks for around $2. So all in, it was about $4. What an inexpensive way to decorate your home. I think they're so cute. So I was showing you that I had a glass of water that I put inside my ginger jar there. I don't want my flowers to die, so that's an easy tip for you to do if you're going to keep a plant or maybe some flowers in a vessel. Maybe put some water in there too. And I can't forget my blue and white transferware. That's going to go up there. I'm also going to put that little ginger jar that I purchased at the thrift store a few weeks back that I painted. And I'm so happy with this tiny little ginger jar. I think it is so cute. I'm also going to be using that brass tray that I found while thrifting, and I simply put these stars in there. I know last year they had those at the Dollar Tree as well as Hobby Lobby. Those are from last year at Hobby Lobby. Okay guys, that is going to do it for my video today. I hope that it brought you some inspiration to decorate your home on a budget. If it did, will you please consider subscribing to my channel? It's completely free. Make sure if you do to hit that bell so that you can be notified the next time that I post a video. Give me a thumbs up and maybe think about leaving me a comment. I absolutely love to hear from you guys and hear what's going on in your world. So with that, I'm going to close down the video. I hope you guys will stay safe and I will see you in the next one. Bye.